Sean.
I'm gonna be such a fun days. Oh my god, I want to.
You're not gonna look down? You only hear the little scream for a second.
Just remember something. If your butt is touching the slot, okay, you should be alright.
Just lay down. There he goes. Sean, you're almost there, kid. You're insane. I can't believe you're doing this. I'm walking down. Let's see, where's Mom? Cross your legs. Cross them. There you go. Keep them crossed the whole way. Lay back, cross your arms. See you later. He's like, what, are you kidding me? Hey, Liam. Cross your legs. Cross your, there you go, Sean. He's down at the bottom. Ready, Liam? Lay back. Just cross your arms, lay back. Alrighty. I'm laying back. Alright, here we go. Woo! Thank you. How was that? How was it? Was it fast, Liam? I held my breath the whole time.
Hey
Liam, how was Summit Plummet?
That was fun.
We doing it again?
No.